Hello everyone. Recipe for Shikanji. Shikanji, also known as Indian lemonade, is a refreshing summer drink popular in North India. It's a tangy, spicy, and sweet beverage that combines fresh lemon juice with various spices and herbs. Here's a simple and authentic recipe to make Shikanji at home. Ingredients: 4 cups cold water, 2 lemons juiced, 4 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon black salt, that is kala namak, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon regular salt, adjust to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, fresh mint leaves, optional, ice cubes. Instructions. Number 1. Prepare the lemon juice. Squeeze the juice from the lemons into a bowl, ensuring there are no seeds. You should have about half cup of lemon juice. Number 2. Mix the ingredients. In a large pitcher, combine the lemon juice, sugar, black salt, roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, regular salt, and black pepper powder. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Number 3. Add water. Pour the cold water into the pitcher and mix well. Number 4. Add mint and ice. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves to the pitcher for added freshness and flavor. Add ice cubes as per your preference. Number 5. Serve. Pour the Shikanji into glasses. Garnish with additional mint leaves and lemon slices if desired. Number 6. Enjoy. Serve immediately and enjoy the refreshing drink. Tips. Adjust the spices and sugar according to your taste preference. For a more intense flavor, you can lightly muddle the mint leaves before adding them to the pitcher. Shikanji can be made in advance and stored in the refrigerator. Stir well before serving. This recipe is perfect for hot summer days, providing a delicious blend of sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors. Enjoy your homemade Shikanji. Thank you.